Wagwan, my youth, it's the biggest boss, Ricky Rouse. And I'm saluting the Justice Cha. Y'all know what it is, man. It's Ricky Rouse, the family Justice Boss.
Alright then. Woo! Hit the streets, the fire blaze. No time to waste, I got people waiting. Where I'm going to hell if I don't pray. Father, help me along the way. There is no turning back now. Once you leave and then you die. No if, no buts, no maybe cannot apply. Only one way out, and that's make it. I got to try. Oh King Selassie, I protect I. Alright, I'm a superstar, driving a supercar. Gotta have that super green. So fresh, so clean, so fresh, so clean, so fresh, so clean. Like a lion in the jungle, that's the life I live. How can a king rule a nation without commands to kill? Amen, so let it be done only if it's your will, only if it's God's will. Alright, Babylon, be still and let the manifestation fulfill. Until Shiloh forevermore, your name I'll be calling. From the bottom to the top, I just keep rising. I just keep rising. Alright, I'm a superstar, driving a supercar. Gotta have that super green. So fresh, so clean, so fresh, so clean, so fresh, so clean. Alright, big up on yourself, big up Ballarally, grand finale. Ballerina up here.
Now come on, everyone, forget your troubles, I know the vibe.
If you find a camera, bring it to the DJ booth. Innocent line up.
See, and it's a spade and parry. Come on, everyone.
Big up my brother Bionic, stylish, love zone.
Yes, everybody carry.
DJ Sheen.
Ever ready? So big up every massive and we big up every crew. You know, so nobody now swagger.
Mix master, Bubble.
So put your man up in the
Tiamos. Innocent.
I know the vibe and carry on. Well, everybody carry on. And you see, and it's a spade.
Not yet.
Come on, everyone.
Cool no man. Tell man you don't know.
Yes, everybody carry.
How we party? The party are not done enough.
Yeah, so big up every massive, big up every crew. So nobody now swagger like you. Put your man up in the ear.
Father board.
And it don't really matter if it's only your 20.
Every Sunday night, Sutel Drive. This Sunday night, Bionic Shop, Mix Master, Justice. Stylish, come true.
And on the party, everybody.
DJ Shop.
The kind of you want, you want. Hey.
Hurry down. Big up people, when I'm love you know. But you see me, we play around here all the while. I'll do it first time I'll play for the New Year. Big up Innocent in the house and come up far away. What you say? Big up yourself, Mix Master Prince, don't say nothing.
Easy Justice, you don't know. Big up everybody from Jacksonville, you don't know, sir, Uncle Balla thing, right? I know, sir, ever ready with that. Remember, sir, every day, good food around here, sir, and a Balla cook the food, and you know, sir, the article Jamaican cooking. Big up Father George also, you understand what I'm saying? Big up everybody we know say you support at Fridays each and every Friday night, right? Yes, sir. And yes, so nice, you understand what I'm saying? Remember February the 1st, Black History Month kick off. It's gonna be crazy. Early mix by true mix is gonna be mad. You understand what I'm saying? Big up Justice, you don't know this coming Sunday night, it's crazy. He's the Uncle Balla every Wednesday, the new Wednesday name, Wild Out Wednesdays. Free oysters for everybody, everybody free before midnight. Right now the party you can't done. All who knows you can't tired. We are turn up the party here. NASHEEN, fire!
Here we go now, Balla. Big up yourself here, man. Cause you make me there, you know. I'm not even too like what I need that to, you know. Next time, you see, next year when I forward for your party, you just eliminate some sound, you know, because the bag of sound thing now work, you know. That me make you know, like a different blood clotting this. But I'm going to play one song for you. One song me I play for you right now. And you say after I play that one song there, a bad man something coming in a joke thing. But that's a song for you.
Innocent.
I was born by the river.
Bumbuckler, what am I doing?
In a little tent.
Are you this father?
Oh, and just like the river I've been
From way up in the country, a Portman in it. Hey, listen to me. What you mean?
It's been a long
What them know about Boston?
time.
Portland?
But I know
And what them know? Blood clot. The whole Titchfield crew big up, but the blood clot them feel like. Bala, big up. Hey, listen to me. I never go on to Bala. I know you put some man on the down. It's the next year me a forward. Now put some select up on a party, you know. Because me and them are a blood clot friend, you know. You hear me I say to you, because me a bad man, you know. Me must say me a real friend, you know. Me must say me not charging a whole heap of money, you know. And everybody can get me for come over complain, you know. When you see me a forward up and I put some boy for your dance, come and a beg friend from people.
Best friend, I come to take your life. Are the worst thing you could ever see. Never Teflon. No can a man know you are power with from.
All who know you not beg no friend from the pussy, go down in the ear.
We don't want a friend from them.
And that's in the pray. All who not beg no friend from the body, go down. Yo, just to me. No one on him.
But only if it was an innocent.
Some pussy one, go down. Fuck up in now.
Best friend, I come to take your life.
A bad man thing I go on now.
Never Teflon. No can a man know you are power with from your band.
All the man them who know say no friend, no police, say no friend, no informer, gun on in the ear. All the girl them who know them real friend, push up some gun on. Gun on in the ear.
But only if it was an innocent. Where you are to behind curtain. Enough of them say them are your friend. When you check it out, them is a different person. Them now want to see you dribble like burden. Them want you live your life in a burden. Oh, we have to send me your friend when we check it out. You is a
Yo, Bala!
That me a say a camera that a journalist.
Yo, them a watch me and we not watch them. Them a chat me and we not chat them. When we chat
all who bad mind, gun on in the ear.
stick the dog at them.
Cocktail we a cause problem. Cause some boy love chat like a pop.
All who come from Jamaica, but Batman, gun on in the ear.
We a send people to a hill.
bad mind, them a pray, them a pray, them a pray.
Innocent.
Yo, killer premiums gone, you know.
That me a say
A camera that
a journalist.
Yo, them a watch me and we not watch them. Them a chat me and we not chat them. When we chat them, they do me and fuck them. Yo, killer, stick the dog at them.
Cocktail we a cause problem. Cause some boy love chat like a parrot them. Well, parasites know we cross from when. Then we a send.
Level. You see that brown boy, no pussy will feel that them can't stop that something, but them can't stop it. But I hear something this. Remember this, gully.
And we go to you. Fight fire with fire. Fight evil with prayer.
Hold on. All the man them come here, them not play no song for the girl them. Me and some man come in and play one bag of blood clot song and go on like them and run round the something, you know. Some of them boy are going and run round the thing, you know. All them not play no song for the girl them. It's when they play a song for girl, and them song you have to play.
Skin up, skin up, skin up, yeah, skin up, skin up.
Remember mix up them together, do them up, extreme ladies. Now what you name?
Come at me one in your hole.
Skin up, skin up, skin up, yeah, skin up, skin up.
Make us start it, yeah, so.
Skin up,
Now what you name?
skin up.
Come at me one in your hole. Let me spend a little time in your hole. I the treasure me a find in your hole. Don't stop signing in your hole. Come at me one in your hole. Let me spend a little time in your hole. I the treasure me a find in your hole. Don't stop signing in your hole. Half bad man a wind up in your clothes by your leg. Man for your wind up in your hole on the bed. Have man a pose up like a double six. Back shot a aim off of your minamis. Cocky a the shot, pussy a the target. No long talking, ready to start it. Whole night we attack it. Can't stop talk it and skin out and do something like this. Come at me one in a your hole. When me spend a little time in a your hole. And the treasure me a find in a your hole. Don't stop signing a your hole. Y'all, come at me one in a your hole. When me spend a little time in a your hole.
All the girls move strictly declare your time, ready?
Where you do to me? Selector, come so when I see the girl them bubble pop. If you love to see the girl them a bubble, put up your hand. You play song, the girl star boss blank. Nobody.
Wind up yourself, girl. Wind up yourself. Sit down on it, girl. Sit down on it. Rock it off, my girl. Rock it off. Rock it off.
Body put and a drop it to a batty man. If you not happy, follow me then. Y'all a dash out, so me glad me come out. Ready for it? What you
the girl move strictly declare. Start sit down on the body and sit down on it.
wave and a wait for me son to come out.
The girl sit down on body. Girl don't sit down on body. Girl don't
bubble, bubble gala, bubble gala. Yeah, how the party a looks. Da, how the party a looks. How me girl them turn up and a looks. Where you do to me? Selector, come so when I see the girl them bubble pop. If you not see the girl them a bubble, put up your hand. You play song, the girl star boss blank. Now the girl them time, play song, the girl white. Big selector up.
Big up to the girl from Tivoli girl in the house. So I mean, show.
When the girl them a dip it and a drop it to a batty man. If you not happy, follow me then. Y'all a dash out, so me glad me come out. Ready for it? What you talking about? Road me live, me no want.
Every girl start sit down on it, girl. Sit down on it.
Gala bubble, bubble gala bubble, bubble gala bubble, bubble gala bubble, bubble dem a bubble, bubble gala bubble, bubble gala bubble, bubble gala bubble. Alright then, y'all live on head top a spin like it. Me have to ask if some of them right it. Watch the one day with the wire waistline. Watch your body there, yo dog. Look how that hit. Cock up, y'all. Show you that.
Wine from the body, me a wine from the body.
They gotta move sexually on. Every girl start wine pon the body and no wine pon it.
Wine from the body, me a wine from the body. Wine from the body, me a wine from the body. Wine from the body, me a wine from the body. Back it up, strong wine from the body.
Every girl start wine up yourself. Wine up.
Wine from the body, me a wine from the body. Wine from the body, me a wine from the body. Wine from the body, me a wine from the body. Back it up, strong wine from the body. Wine from the body, me a wine from the body. Wine from the body, me a wine from the body. Wine from the body.
Every girl start sit down on the body. Sit down on it, girl. Sit down on it. Sit down on it.
Sit down and wine pon the head. You want the boom, them girl them fuck dead. Baby when you squint it, you mash up me head. Me and me girl a fuck till we jump off a bed. Me say girl fi beg, girl fi get fucked till them can't feel them leg. Woman a fuck girl and a treat them like egg. Woman want feel like them just don't shake. Me love sex like my gun. Me love bust it up and me love fuck for fun. But how I speak when me under me rum and she do the stripper wine. Have a fight finna come back.
Hold on. Big up to all my females who have kids. I know, say, you love your kids, then put your hand on the air right now. All the females who have kids, I love your kids. Scream for your kids right now. You have a lot of females feel like when you have a kid, your life mash up. You can't get no more man. Some girls, them have low self-esteem. Big up to the girl that knows no matter how much kids you have, you still look blood clot good. That song you make every girl want for. Ready?
Girls about to like you. This is the dancing move your waistline.
All the girls who know say all day you want fucking at the morning. Ready?
When the real good as them step forward and wine. Very good body girls just broke.
You know say that girl who want fuck that one there.
Man I promise you the world anytime them see all your wine.
She about 500 pounds. But me like her.
I want every time. Catch money baby. Broke it on.
White pants, where you gone?
Broke it on. Broke it on. Broke it on.
No, blue tights, you mad me. Big up to the Tivoli girl them, show. Hold on, man. Listen me now. The party reach a different thing. Come here, play 5 more songs. And Prince have to come play because you know Bala and Prince are brother from another mother. Yard vibes, big up. But here I say, me is a man, I have to talk my mind. I don't know. If you don't want me to talk my mind, say NASHEEN, talk your mind. No, me not here no. If you don't want me to talk my mind, say talk my mind. Pussy word juvenile now. From Justice. Remember, said that pussy they love calling my blood clot name and I immediate talk earlier, you know. Me notice when Killamajaro come here, him bad for push up himself and shoot out on Killamajaro. So I never shoot out on the bad man, so I know some a real killer.
And I say, oh, NASHEEN, I have the most bomber clot machine. Both know some bad man got blood clot jail and come back.
Baller!
That's scratch.
Some little pussy for no.
But therefore, you are there when they're afraid of the sun. Likewise, NASHEEN knows that the pussy them
afraid of my gun.
In a center state.
Some boy you play some little remix, my father. When you play my father, them have to play.
NASHEEN fire no play. Friendship we no buy. Pussy violate to make your dopey back fly. NASHEEN right here.
Every gun on in the blood clot here, no!
It in a head of boy. Blood like a fly. Chooks it, price guns are ball. Price guns are tall. You know.
Yo! Wish yo! Wish yo!
Pussy.
Wish blood clot yo! Hey, listen me, youth! Remember telling this bomber clot.
You get catch.
You think I can
catch?
Which blood clot catch?
No pussy.
What run? Innocent no run! Tell innocent no run! Back your talk, no pussy! Back your talk! Hold on, back your talk! Hold on, remember say one thing. Remember say one thing.
Respect.
Remember say one thing. Remember say one thing, no? It's not ignorance to things. And the one bag of yelling and screaming, the people them can't hear you. See it? First of all, see it? Me not go one for one with man, a woman me fuck. Hold on!
Yo! Man, we are stand! Pussy!
No, you have some boy where every day me talk about them innocent, but them sound name innocent. And what them do? I want
the blood clot do innocent!
Cause them guilty, them suck, them put. Yeah, my man, them suck the thing, the man. One like Dapper, and one like Dashy, them suck the thing that's last year. I know that dreadlock. Yeah, them have enough.
Go and bury them pussy. What them innocent about? Who you tell me? Me not this NASHEEN all night.
Yo.
NASHEEN, I look at. Let me play my tune. I respect you. I never interrupt you. You say you're a big man. So you're going to take your blood clot beating like a big man. Look for your tune.
Now you have some boy where every day me talk about them innocent, but them sound name innocent. And what them do? I wonder what them do make every day them get talk about them innocent. The fuck are them guilty, them suck, them put. Yeah, my man, them suck the thing, the man. One like Dapper, and one like Dashy, them suck the thing that's last year. But them fuck them girl at the party. A party man, them so last year. Run the track on the time we waste man to the same like bomber clout to take this thing for. Done with man on the bomber. Hey, you see it? Original song man.
Ever ready?
Justice man.
I want to push together. NASHEEN, push your neck in your move and pussy and break it.
Say innocent sound over so. Them a suck pussy too. Jump and sound over.
Hold on, people though.
Oh!
My time.
Yes.
My time.
Yes.
Calm down. People, hold on now. You hear the man just play? The man play a song with one bag of suck pussy and fuck batty argument tonight. Why these selectors nowadays? The first thing when them try to get at somebody, them have to say, you suck pussy and you fuck batty. Me no suck pussy and me no fuck batty. Me go play a song, it not call him name, you know. But that song, I go kill that song when him just play. Listen this.
When I say innocent, I want to some like a batty boy. You can run people by me bust off them blood clot head. It's a joke to me, a father bomb buckle.
Listen.
Aye. Innocent.
Listen, intelligence, listen.
Why you rise against Mr. Dead? Innocent, no miss your head. Go curl up under your mama and piss your bed. Mobby, Miami fall out of here.
Listen. Jacksonville, listen.
NASHEEN fire no play.
What about?
Walk your step and try and boast your squad. Them attack. I will not make no walk. Split boy head into half. You attack, them attack. And them afraid of the dark because them tall.
Him say me suck pussy and fuck batty, listen.
Four lad of there, fuck lad. NASHEEN no run suck pussy joke, nah batty joke. But him back. People.
The some boy.
Alright. Big up yourself, NASHEEN.
Intelligence.
Yeah man. NASHEEN. Intelligence.
Now listen to me, people. When see me come in, I'm a boss the party. NASHEEN get bad mind. Long time we have a rival. Don't worry about it. Listen to me now. Him say intelligent. I know that he is a dunce. Let me tell you some people. And him come this justice. You see where I'm bad? Me are gonna make him kill himself. This is NASHEEN talking about himself and him son. And a me sister, a him sister. NASHEEN, listen to yourself, attack pussy.
Remember tell you this. Me can't fuck no girl good. Me a batty boy. No girl no want fuck me. Me eat pussy. Me sell out me thing. Everybody who know NASHEEN know. Send me a cokehead. Me no smoke bush. Remember so long time me a cokehead, you know. A Dallas corner. Me eat some blood clot smoke coke.
NASHEEN!
My name.
What make the people them hear you kill yourself, NASHEEN.
Remember tell you this. Me can't fuck no girl good. Me a batty boy. No girl no want fuck me. Me eat pussy. Me sell out me thing. Everybody who know NASHEEN know. Send me a cokehead. Me no smoke bush. Remember so long time me a cokehead, you know. A Dallas corner. Me eat some blood clot smoke coke a Jamaica boy. My neighbor them have some little dog. Chihuahua. Me eat fucking them in my blood clot. Yeah. Them run out 3 blood clot mine. I would do anything to win. I would fuck about if you win. Dapper, nearly. Go suck out your big stinking mama pussy. Batty boy, Dapper. Me trick you. Me trick your pussy wall. And you fuck that girl. Know that.
Yo, April 27th. Innocent. Black Cat. Mad
My
Squad.
God, my
Don't
God.
run. Orlando.
Hold on. No, people.
That was you.
People, hold on. You see how this boy are obsessed with blood clot, man? How can you sit down and take pieces from different dances and put it together? That means you think about man. You have man for your blood clot mind. Who are the batty man? Push all. He's a little backbiter. You're in for everyone. Everyone, I'm going to kill her right now. I'm going to kill her right now, pussy.
Everything is everything when innocent play some boy for no.
We're ready for your pussy. Officer,
I even just never.
you're not escape, everyone. You're not escape.
You.
Officer, you're not escape.
Fuck you, nigga, you know I don't smile.
You're not
For the next 6 months.
Pull up.
You know.
Turn it off.
Watch
Turn it off. You're not escape. That's him.
Justice for none of them blood clot.
Stop it. Hold on now. I mean Bala. A thing get out of hand. Saying, NASHEEN, you are my elder. Now send him. A music we say, you know. But a father body, you know. A film place, you know. I'm a daddy. But anything say.
Yes, bud. You don't like the clash. And we respect the fact that you don't like the clash. Officer, all respect due to you because we respect JSO, right? All on NASHEEN. We respect the JSO people, them, and we respect Everready, right? But it's just music. Nobody was not fighting or stabbing or shooting. It was just a musical competition. And the people, them, love the club.
All right, bossy, listen to me. Respect. No clash. You say no clash, so we respect it. We are elder. The boy Justice get where you know. The man have a little one fancy in here. I feel like him good. When I tell this, you ready here? She can't save you, you know. No, listen to me, I'm my time. I'm going to play my last song and cut. You look at one cheerleader, she can't save you. You know that. I'm not going to school on the vibes. I play one more song and then I leave. You understand? Because you know there's something already. But listen to me now. Juvenile, the clash of forward, you know. Remember, so the real clash of forward in April, you know. And you know there's something already. And you can't manage your blood clot sound here. I'm not going to play the clash song neither. But so I play a little nice and easy song. And you know there's something blood clot already. But listen to me, see, next time we walk up, make sure you bring a little cheerleader with you. Here? Where there? So what about him there? With the volume. Yo, with the volume on the song. Yo. NASHEEN, big up yourself. Anytime I see you know so you're dead. Because you know so stuff people think so. Play some tune, man.
Do it. Big it up now. Roll up. Whoa, yeah.
Yeah, look at cheerleader there with the pump on them are dead.
Do you know what it means to taste the champion sound?
You're dead.
And what it takes to kill.
And the remixes, listen this.
Trying to taste innocence.
Bumbuckle and them feel like
innocence is gonna knock you out.
Know that! Hey, Juvenile, you think you look a free dubplate can kill us on ya? And I beg for this, know this.
Are you ready to stand up and taste innocence?
Yes, ready.
Are you ready to stand up and taste
innocence? Ready. Yeah, man, yeah, go on good. Play a song. Alright. Over there, run off, you look like a little bitch. What are you?
Yeah. I have no fear.
Yes,
justice is easy.
Look up phone. You ready?
Justice, no fear, no sound, no way, no fear.
You know, sir, I'm not playing with you tonight, I know. April 27. Hold on. You wanna, you diss me.
I'm playing my last
I'm
song.
lock you off in a tree show. Pussy, I don't know, buddy. Go. April 27. Go
Yo,
on,
I'm playing my last song.
Nobody know you dance now. I can't set you up.
Listen,
go
man.
away. You don't know nobody pussy. You see, you flip up on your flop.
People, you're so
Yo,
ignorant.
and the first time, you know. Everywhere me see you. Everywhere me see you, nigga. Everywhere me see you, nigga. Stop it now. You're a bad man. Stop it.
Alright, I'm gonna play my last song.
NASHEEN, you bad up everybody. Bad up justice.
I'm gonna play my last song now. I'm gonna play my last
What
song,
you?
B.
You flip up on your flop.
I'm gonna play my last song.
You kill yourself.
Cause you cry. You cry like a little girl.
Yourself.
You're not them song, you sit down.
Shut
up. Sit down.
Innocent, come back down. Feel the need to kill yourself tonight. Come over any little big time sound and make sure
ain't no song in the
your amplifier's trembling.
Juvenile, you're not a song.
You do to yourself. What you do to yourself?
You're not a song, you.
What you do to yourself?
Listen up, listen.
It's gonna last. You better rush back home.
NASHEEN.
Go on, boy. You don't know.
NASHEEN.
Go on.
So
My time now.
rush back.
I'll be a chatty, I'm not no song, you know.
Don't. I'm home.
You have no song.
I'm home. Don't. I'm home. See a morning when we
have
wake up
no
pussy.
song.
See a morning when we wake up.
Blaze them with fire.
No song.
Straight justice. Jesus Christ. Why justice? You're nice.
Party boy NASHEEN. Go suck your mama till I pussy. Boss.
Little bang bang pain. Justice leave us sound in pain. Justice leave us sound in pain. A papa justice leave us sound in pain. La.
I hear that song there.
Innocent, you are gonna match them up.
Wrong song you play. Listen, big song. Listen this, listen.
Yeah. Here we go again. Ooh, sound boy, you hurting real bad. Ooh.
I don't mean
Hear that song you play.
Are you a hurt pussy?
You did not play what you're supposed to play. Talking on your face, didn't know.
Every clash you draw the seal fucker. Youth.
So much day.
You know the music.
Every clash you go, you do the same thing.
You know the music.
Eh?
You know the music. You know the music.
Innocent. Me also respect you, NASHEEN. You see, after tonight, pussy, I'm gonna rate you again.
Every time justice I play, all the massive them are swinging.
Fireball.
Wave your hand.
Tell NASHEEN this bomb club, Party boy.
This the sunshine.
Party boy.
Fuck you. Fuck every dub that you play, some boy. Fuck every dub that you play.
My time, my time, my
Don't talk
time.
about my tune. My time. Pussy, don't talk about my tune.
Justice, bless you.
If you have a little respect, and everybody you can't bother.
My youth, how you going, sir?
Teach me, I teach you.
You can't teach me no.
Teach me, I teach you. You're dead 3 times already.
My, you remember talk to man?
all you for teach me. And you just, listen me. Hold on, man, listen me. Listen to reason here. Listen to reason here now. Listen me. Rasta man, hold on, man. Hold on, listen me. Big man, listen me. May I talk to you as an elder. May I talk to you as an elder. See? Him say ma teach me something now. See? As a selector, music, right? Him say he ma teach me something. And him just play a song, you know. And the song say, fuck you, fuck everything that you do. No man can fuck me. So if you teach me something, hey boy, know this. Hey boy, may I teach you something? Know this. Know this, boy. Know this. Father, son. Good.
No jump and can't kill we. Stand your horn. We name innocent. No jump and.
Hey boy, you fucking run round Jacksonville for kill me.
Yes, innocent. Yes, you fit. Fit.
NASHEEN.
Fit.
Hey people.
He don't have no manners, we don't like him. Point on the hand for the door. Tell him pussy on the innocent. Tell him!
Hey.
Batty boy NASHEEN, what you gonna do? You want you look alive in the early part of the year.
Sound boy, won't you go home? Go home.
Hold on. Stop that.
You're too young to play the
Pussy. Stop talk when me I play my tune. Don't talk. Listen, me I teach you. Listen for that. Me I go play it again. You talk over my tune. You talk. Me say I teach you. Don't talk when big man I talk to you. Ready?
Hey.
Boom! Not you did yet, pussy. The body like a justice NASHEEN. Since when? Look all on you run. The whole world knows say you run from justice. Yeah, man, me want you play, come on.
Dog, you don't say I move like a crackhead.
You are.
You don't say you're alone.
You are.
Hold on, man. You don't say
why are you playing?
Hold on, man.
Why the fuck are you playing? Bitch, nigga.
Hold on, man.
You want to kill justice so bad. You can't bad me up. You can't talk to me, pussy.
Crackhead, you know. That's
yo, you confess that already, you know.
Hold on, man.
You confess that already, you know.
You see when people pop mollies, that's how they act. When they pop mollies and Father Trinidad James, that's how they fucking act. That's a molly popper right there. You see you and you look, hold on. You see you and you look.
For this woman.
Hold on, man.
How you for this woman, man?
You see you.
You see three women.
Hold on, man. Hold on,
dance with one.
Remember talk.
Remember talk. Tell Prince.
Remember talk, man. Youth. You see you and your fake Nicki Minaj. One thing I want to set a two on right now.
You
and your boss. You and your boss.
Watch this. Hey, Mr. Undertaker, build them a coffin. Whoa. No, my mistake. Make them two.
Two of them blood clot.
I say one for them selector, one for them owner. Lordy. Can't you see innocent?
NASHEEN.
In your fake red bottom. Blood clot.
Enough sound boy want cross with border.
Juvenile. I call your plant up here, sir.
Go suck your mama.
I call your plant.
Go suck your mama. Tell NASHEEN.
I be a talking about the pop song then.
You know why you want to kill justice? You know why you want to kill justice?
The man at top of my song then. I can't clash a dunce.
Not my time.
Use a dunce.
Yeah, crackhead.
Yeah, top of my song them. Oh, you for top of my song them.
Crackhead. You know why you want to kill justice? You can't bad me up. You know why you want to kill justice?
You is a dunce.
You see me turn Killamajaro in a juggling sound.
You're not going nowhere past.
You envy me.
You're not going nowhere.
Not going to pass. And you look a lot of stripe pussy. Not going to pass. After me murder the Jaro, pussy all innocent running. What do you?
A shine eye sound boy can't test the justice.
What do you? Pussy all.
Idiot sound boy can't test the justice.
What do you?
Alright.
You like how me going out the road, me see it. You say, listen to the first thing you say.
Can I ask you a question?
No,
one question.
Listen to the first thing you say.
One question.
Pussy, listen to the first thing you
Why
say.
when I'm playing you talk talking.
You ain't no body.
He's
that's
like
why
a bitch.
I'm running pan you, pussy.
Yo, hold on, man.
You ain't no body. And that's why I'm running pan you. You know why you're running pan just
No man can't run in pan me. Me no fuck man. You can't run in pan me. You're a batty boy. No more tell you that.
Suck your girl.
Hold on, man. I'm teach you something. Yo, you see you know.
What are you? You're bad like a justice.
Hold on, remember talk.
Since when?
Remember talk.
At 10 years you run pussy, you don't deserve to talk. And that you put
Yo, you don't say you one of them youth there.